Friday night, we left Bangalore and headed towards Chikmagalur. It gets cold these days, otherwise, Bangalore's weather is quite same all the time. We waited for a while to have breakfast. When traveling in Karnataka highways, be very picky about restaurants to get the authentic South Indian taste. The weather was chilly in the morning और लग रहा था कि बारिश होगी, but it turned out to be very pleasant. We spotted a water body on our way और लोकेशन भी काफ़ी अच्छी थी, so we thought to go nearby. When you are traveling in Karnataka, you will find plenty of rivers and lakes every now and then. We reached Belur and we were an hour ago from our destination. We spotted this beautiful temple in between a pond and a river nearby. Another temple on our way. The architecture of South Indian temples will always amaze you. We were supposed to reach early morning, but we got too late, so we decided not to stop anywhere else. Looking at greenery all around, I felt like getting out of the car and stare at it all day. And finally we reached here. We freshened up, got ready and went out to explore nearby places. We headed towards Hebbe Falls while enjoying the beautiful surroundings. We found a small river on our way and we got down to get into the water.
अंकल ने पूरी जान लगा दी है.
And we reached the falls. After some time, we headed back to our homestay. We enjoyed the bonfire and had a great night.
It's 7 in the morning and it's so peaceful here.
Next morning, we left for Mulyangiri Hills and spotted another beautiful temple on our way. Weather and view from the top was amazing.
It's Buttermilk Waterfalls and I'll show you how we are going there. लोग जाएंगे jeeps में. It's around 4 kilometers from the pickup point and we have to go down there.
After a long walk through the trails, we finally reached the waterfall. We really wanted to get into water, so we walked a little up as it was crowded down there.
अपने चप्पल टूट गए और अब नंगे पैर घूमना है.
And this was end of an amazing day. We were super tired and really hungry. We stopped by for dinner, had delicious food and headed back to Bangalore.